B2C model basically. That will bring more transparency, more clarity, more information, and it will help the customer basically. So finally in 2015 December, we incepted this company called MedNexus Travel for Health Private Limited. We are known by the brand Med Travels, healthcare beyond boundaries. Now what is this? There were a lot of, कहते हैं ना आपके कलीग आपको पूछते हैं, conflict of views काफी होते हैं, यार इसमें तो काम ही नहीं होगा, इसमें तो हमारा ब्रेक इवन, तुम तो यार 6 साल के बाद की बात कर रहे हो. लेकिन what I think, before you start anything, पहले ये जरूर सोच लेना चाहिए कि पर्पस क्या है, किस लिए आप करना चाहते हो. What is there in your mind? What do you want to do? How differently you are doing to make it more sustainable? How you can attach socially with the customers? How it is helping them? Why they should choose you? So these were the so many questions which we try to answer ourselves. Then, for that reason, then we started putting up all the information on this platform. Today, we are represented by all the brands in India. You name the hospital brands and they are empaneled with us. Not only in India, we are representing hospitals from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Oman, Dubai. Now, during that time also, there was a big question, why to force anybody to come to India? Give them the choice. Let us compete with the international, healthcare providers. Let's put up the informations. So what we did, now we are represented by 17 franchise partners across globe, which includes developed countries and developing countries also. Now this was the first time we thought of, none of the company in India is thinking of like sending the patients from China to Malaysia, or Canada to Singapore, or USA to Thailand. Generally, you will find that 80% to 85% of population or the patients who are visiting India are from developing countries or Middle East. 15% are only coming from developed countries like Japan, like America, like Europe, but that is again a huge market. So we thought of like, let's do something where we can not only think in terms of India, but also in terms of the global customer also, like people who are really in need of treatment. They are also not given the proper information. So now today when you visit to our portal, you will see different hospitals with their different treatment packages. So if somebody from Japan wants to come to Hyderabad for treatment, he can just log in, select the city, and he can view all the hospitals. Say he wants to go for a TKR, that's total knee replacement basically, for that treatment. So he can compare between different hospitals. He can see the inclusions, exclusions. He can see the doctor's profile, how many fellowship he has attended, how many successful operations he has done, and how many average operation he is doing every year this at present. So all the information you have on this portal before you decide, because healthcare is something which, where कहते हैं ना शरीर पे ब्लेड चलाने के पहले you will think twice, यार मुझे इनसे ऑपरेशन कराना चाहिए कि नहीं कराना चाहिए. What is his credentials? It's as a layman, as a layman I will always look for that. So all the information we have put on this platform. So before deciding, a person can look into it, decide it, directly connect with the hospitals anywhere, whichever the hospital which are listed on a platform, and then he can book. Apart from that, we have value-added services also. Because आप पेशेंट को सपोज कोई गोरखपुर से दिल्ली आ रहा ऑपरेशन के लिए, या वाराणसी से दिल्ली आ रहा ऑपरेशन के लिए, तो उसको रहने के लिए भी जगह चाहिए होगा, उसको खाने के लिए भी जगह, खाने के लिए भी रेस्टोरेंट उसके होना चाहिए आसपास जो खा सके जहाँ पे उसका डॉक्टर का ऑफ कोर्स अपॉइंटमेंट आपने बुक कर दिया, यू हैव बुक द अपॉइंटमेंट फॉर द डॉक्टर, दैट्स ओके, बट व्हाट अबाउट अदर थिंग्स? So we thought of having value-added services on our platform. So now today we have for international patients, we have online e-medical visa, which we have already proposed to the government, likely to get very soon. We have a API integration, that's called Application Program Interface with yatra.com. We have with, for online pharmacy, we have with 1mg. We have with Cox & Kings, we have exclusive tie-up with Oyo Rooms for budget hotel, because you have different kind of patients traveling from different regions, so they look for the budget hotels. Then we have online air ambulance, online forex. Patients who are traveling from different countries, they can book their forex 15 days advance. Dollar का rate बढ़ जाए इससे पहले मैं book कर देता हूँ, so I can get. And those kind of things they have. Or then we have medical loan facility also for domestic patients. So you can get approval within 12 minutes on our platform. So what a patient needs, we have tried to incorporate each and everything on this single platform. Today, the concept, because we have tried to bring all the stakeholders on a single platform. अब हॉस्पिटल्स को क्या फायदा है, हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटेटर को क्या फायदा है, पेशेंट को क्या फायदा है? हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर, now they can increase their outreach. They are visible to those facilitators. Up there is no middleman. Somebody in Burkina Faso, in West Africa, now directly can contact Fortis in Delhi or Medanta in Delhi. He doesn't need any middleman over here. So, see, the number of middlemen increases, the cost of the treatment increases, basically. We have to understand this. So ultimately, it's the patient or the customer who is going to pay more. So we have tried to remove these people. For facilitator, they were early working for only one organization, say, I mean to say one healthcare provider. Now they can work if their patient wants to go to Chennai or Mumbai or Hyderabad or Kochi. So now they have a provision from through this platform to send the patients to of their choices. So this is basically, in short, my journey. You know, I'm not a mentor. I'm still a student. I try to learn each and everything from everyone. Even sometimes my peon also teaches me something. I try to learn from him also. And one thing I would like to finally share with all of you, before I show you my video, this is just a small video where you can, in a very brief, you can understand what exactly we do. So, one should never underestimate themselves. We should look into ourselves, the potential which we have, and how we can explore it in the right direction. That is the main thing which we need to have in our life. There are so many things are there, but you have to have a magnetic quality, what to choose, what not to choose also. You should also know what not to choose also, so that you are aware that I should not get into those things which are of no use for me. My friend talked about multitasking. It's very important when you start your organization, when you start your company, you have to talk about each and everything. You have to understand each and everything, whether it's finance, whether it's a marketing strategy, whether it's HR. You have to have a knowledge. You cannot expertise in those things. Finance में आप बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते, या फिर आप HR में नहीं कर सकते. But you have to have a knowledge of it, so that you can understand while you are talking to your team members what exactly needs to be done. Okay? So I'll just show you the video, and then we can take up the things from there. Excuse me? Okay.
Amit Ranjan, founder and CEO of MedTravels. I have spent several years in the healthcare industry and have gained valuable expertise in the overseas medical tourism market. With a systematic and thorough understanding of the core factors, impediments, and solutions that can redefine and improve the experiences that one may have as a medical tourist, I envision MedTravels.
Introducing MedTravels, an integrated healthcare platform that empowers the treatment seeker with the right to choose by making available to him maximum healthcare options which he can select and compare according to his preference of location, affordability, etc. Not just that, MedTravels also takes complete care of the seeker's treatment itinerary by facilitating online value-added services like online medical visa application, booking travel and hotel accommodation, exchanging foreign currency online, ordering medicines online, booking air ambulance, financing the treatment, and even booking leisure travel post-treatment. With a large network of healthcare providers, facilitators, aggregators, and associates on board, MedTravels redefines the existing practices and brings transparency, enabling the seeker to exercise total personal discretion and avail all-inclusive healthcare from only one single window, thereby saving his time and efforts. Associate with MedTravels and leverage your business prospects by exploring the wider and deeper healthcare market. Generate better revenues by partnering with other stakeholders and connecting with more patients. Many have registered with MedTravels already, have you? We will be your best business partner, always by your side. MedTravels, healthcare beyond boundaries. Visit the website today.
Yeah, so this is a small video. Hope you have understood each and everything. Basically, I just wanted to show you just only one slide. Now earlier what was happening, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, डॉक्टर रेफर करता है आपको, ठीक है यहाँ ट्रीटमेंट नहीं होगा, नहीं, यू हैव टू गो टू सम अदर मेट्रो सिटीज फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट. अब ये बोलने के बाद नाउ इट वाज द जॉब ऑफ द कंपाउंडर टू टेक यू फ्रॉम देयर, और उसका असिस्टेंट जो होता है वो फिर आपको बताता है किस हॉस्पिटल में जाना है, उस हॉस्पिटल में क्यों जाना है वो भी बताता है. उसके बाद उस पेशेंट को सारी चीज़ों को खुद अरेंजमेंट करना पड़ता था. इट वॉज अ टफ टास्क फॉर देम. सो ड्यूरिंग आवर सर्वे वी हैव कलेक्टेड लाइव सर्वे, यू नो, and then we have analyzed, evaluated, interpreted it, and then finally decided that these were the problems which are being faced by the customers. Then we thought of, let's make it a simple. Now you have a MedTravels platform where you find each and everything. You have healthcare providers, you have business associates. So we are represented by 26 business franchise partners across India. So you include tier 1 cities, tier 2 cities, and metro cities also. So now it has become easy. I'll discuss about that also, why we need a business associate into that. So now it has become easy for all the patients from any remote area to from a developed city or from a developing country to travel to India or to any other country where we have the registered hospitals through our platform. So this has brought up basically a convenience to all the patients basically. Now these are our hospital presence basically and our associate base outside India. See, जब आप कुछ स्टार्ट करते हो तो हमें we have to think simultaneously we have to think also that how we can help the community at a large also. who else can join us, be a part of this endeavor? I'll give you an example. We have a base, I'll talk about this, our neighbor country, Afghanistan. So we have our office in Charkate-Char there in Kabul. We have a lot of patients who are coming. Now, see, I'll tell you the difference. Earlier, the patient used to come, pay the money there, come here, and then they never know that what was the bill of the treatment. It was basically all B2B working. Now, through MedTravels, now patients are coming from Afghanistan. They pay only the nominal internet handling charges, what you call when you book, like, Book My Show or something sort of that. It's a service charge they pay. And all the money now they pay directly to the hospital. Now, these Afghanis have a different way of eating. So they prefer Afghani food, basically. So you see these days you have in Lajpat Nagar, generally when you go there, you have Mazar restaurant and all those kind of other restaurants also over there. Now these days people are moving to other cities also. Hyderabad, they are moving to Chennai, they are moving to Kolkata. There I asked my associate to look for a kitchen, local kitchen, who can serve these people. पता करो जो कर सकते हैं इस काम को, help them to come forward, start their business. We have patients from Iraq, we have patients from Nigeria, we have patients from Burkina Faso, we have patients from Tanzania, we have patients from Japan, now Japanese food. Okay, you are in Delhi or metros, you are there, you can get the food in big restaurants. But again, there is always a business opportunity. So in different cities, we have looked for the local kitchen. Now these people are helping the patients who are coming from different countries, looking for different food. They are being served by the local kitchen. So this is the kind of help we are doing to the patients, And of course, we are encouraging the people who are really having the entrepreneurial skill also to come forward. So friend, this is all about myself, my organization, which I have devoted for the welfare of the society, trying to bring the transparency, trying to make the India as a best healthcare destination also, though I am catering to different countries at the same time. But वो कहते हैं ना, दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. So that's the kind of thing. Without forcing them, giving them the good comparison online, helping them with the information, with the credentials of the doctor, with the credentials of the hospitals, transparency in treatment, inclusions, exclusions. Now it has become easy for them to decide. So recently in March, we received 6 patients from Japan who were traveling to Malaysia or to UK or to US because they are very rich. They pay heavy amount. They go to Seattle, they go to New York for the treatment. But we received 6 patients from Japan. So that was again a big achievement for us to get a patient from developed countries like Japan. So I believe you should put your effort continuously. Nothing is impossible. Everything and anything is achievable. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.